Hi, I'm Kev from sonsofkane.com. On this video, we're going to look at seated reverse javelin. Don't forget, subscribe if you haven't, give us a thumbs up, share this video with everyone that you know. Let's get this channel growing. As usual, with me is Chris. Hello mate, how you doing?
Hello, you inarticulate person, you.
Thank you.
We'll also be looking at it from a two-cane standing point of view as well.
The reverse javelin. Let's have a look how we get into it. So I'm just going to go side on. Stick your brakes on just for safety. Now, if Chris is here, back a bit my friend, I've got all the strikes I can do for the 12 cane strikes. But if he gets closer, then it's starting to limit it. If he comes in with the grab, just for argument's sake, I've got the open hand fab lock from here. Can't really hit, but if I flick up, I've now got the reverse javelin. I can bring his hand over further and I've exposed other areas. But as Chris has said before, you can hit and leave, you can hit and retract, or the one we love, you can hit and drag through. Once you've got the drag through, if I've got what I call an L clamp, some people call a C clamp, you've made contact, you've grabbed, if I've pulled him up a little bit, I've exposed what we call the axilla under the armpit. Chris calls it heart one. I've now got a strike straight into that, which will not be happy, which Chris would not be happy receiving, would you mate?
Okay.
So just the first part of the reverse javelin for the chair, we've got the distance is closing, we've got our block up, whatever comes through, whether it's a grab or a punch, we're here, we're coming up. The other hand comes in, I'm using the block, L grab, C grab, hung guard, pull push away. Play with this technique, your opponent will offer different opportunities to you. Things will become apparent as you start doing them. Just a thought for this exercise is we've done it from a grab, up, smash away.
If you haven't checked it out already, check out Master Gary Hernandez, where he does a video on protecting yourself from the six or from behind. We thought reverse javelin from this. If I come up from behind, either shoulder grab or I'm coming up here, nothing is going to change. The reverse javelin is going to come over the shoulder.
I've located by turning my head, I can see exactly where I'm going to strike. I can go to the forehead, come on the clavicle, slide down, got the crook of the arm. This point here, into there, very painful. I'm going to put a little bit of pressure because it does hurt.
Yep.
We've swapped out to dojo canes, and this will just give you an idea of the actual pressure we can use. Ready? It will hurt.
If you're using two canes, somebody posted a message saying two canes are impractical, why would you do it? I know a lot of people who need two canes to walk, so for them it's very practical. Nothing's going to change. I'm going to use one cane for my stability, the other cane's going to come up. I've got my guard position, I've got my strike, my drag and through. I can then place this one down if I need to move forward. I can keep coming through. So as an exercise, it's quite a good thing to do to practice mobility, stability, guard, striking, driving, stepping forward, guard, dragging, striking, stability, moving forward. If you don't need two canes to train, do it anyway. It will give you an idea of the limitations that you've got when you're teaching people who do require two canes.
Thanks for watching guys, we hope you liked the video. Keep the comments coming, we love reading them. We're actually getting people to ask questions, which is great. We love interacting with you guys, and this is exactly what we wanted to do. We wanted to build a community up where we show you stuff, you come back with questions, we answer, and you guys talk amongst yourselves. It's fantastic, it's great to see.
If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. Free to fit.